Yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chukwuno Support Icon. We shall be discussing legal consequences of smoking as environmental nuisance. See the case of AMATA versus MODEKWE. See the case of ADESHINA versus LEMONU. So what am I saying? If you're smoking and you're the kind of person that enjoys smoke, nobody is against it. You know, I know that it is not good for your health, but no one is against it like that. The most important thing, you want to smoke reasonably. Don't smoke like worry. Don't smoke like someone who does not have sense. You can see some people who are smoking. They will just go inside, smoke reasonable, and come out. You won't even hear any smell that they are smoking. Some people, they just, whenever they are smoking, just come out, smoke where people just perceiving it, causing problem, causing havoc, causing problem. The smoke we are talking about is not only the one you're smoking like this. If you have generator and your generator is bringing those smoke, you are part of the problem we're talking about. It is environmental nuisance. If you have what's it called again? If you have motor and your motor is bringing those smoke, big one, you are part of the problem. It is environmental nuisance. You are part of the problem we are talking about. So don't think it's only people who are smoking doing. They are not the only people. They are part of the problem. But even if you're smoking, and what you are smoking inside this video, as we are not talking about you, because we are talking about people who are violating it. You shouldn't use it to be against people. There's someone now that is in a health condition. Once you pour that smoke, you've caused problem to you. Someone can faint because of smoke. If you don't know, let this video educate you and tell you that there's a smoke. There's someone that perceives smoke, he faints. It's a sickness. So after listening to my YouTube channel, I advise you to smoke reasonably. Don't just smoke anyhow. Don't just come and be smoking in the public, and don't just committing environmental nuisance. Especially smoking environmental nuisance. That's what I base in this particular one, because it's against environmental law. It is a criminal offense. It's against environmental law. It's a criminal offense. You don't just come out and be smoking anyhow. Maybe allowing your generator maybe to bring in smoke. It's affecting your neighbor. You are part of the problem we're talking about. You always come in the morning to start that's your old car or even new car that's bringing smoke. It's affecting other people. You're part of the problem we're talking about. We are saying that it is an offense before the law, and I want to use this opportunity to advise you that people are committing an offense. If people are committing an offense and they have not been arrested, does not mean that is legal. It doesn't make it lawful. Something that is unlawful or illicit is illicit until you are caught. It is illegal for you to be exposing your smoke in the public generally. Whether smoking cigarettes or smoking marijuana or smoking, some people call it India hemp or Igbo, I don't know which one they call it, or smoking your gen, or what's it called again, or using motor, or even chemical. Or you can even see some company itself. They will just bring in the smoke outside anyhow. The smoke of the generator, even the smoke of what they are using in the company. It doesn't happen like that. If your company want to do it, face it to the air. As in, raise it up. That's what it should be. There are ways to do things. Don't just do things anyhow to affect your fellow human being. Let love live. Let love each other. Let us be our brother's keeper. And this I'm talking about is against what is called love, duty of care. As in duty of care. As you are living with your neighbor, you owe your neighbor duty of care. That is the law. So if you are doing this, you know that you're equally violating law of duty of care, not just environmental law. You know that when someone commits an offense, they will count how many offenses you commit. Because you may think, hey, I just committed nuisance. I violated the law of nuisance. No, you violated the law of duty of care, especially when you are doing it within your neighbor. Because you already breached the law that guides duty of care. Duty of care means that you must be caring for your neighbor. You cannot just be treating your neighbor anyhow. So that is what it means. It's not just one thing. Please, after listening to my YouTube channel, I advise you to love one another. I advise you to abstain from smoking in public or making something that will cause havoc to our society. Let's live in a good condition, in a good society. It will benefit all of us, even our children, even our generation. God bless you for listening to my YouTube channel. As in Chukwuno Icon, please subscribe, like, and comment. God bless you.